and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 145th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. East Timor, Salesian family holds joint youth ministry formation. Father Jolino Vieira reports from Fuiloro.
The Salesian Youth Ministry organized a joint meeting between youth animators of SDB, FMA, Salesian cooperators from all over the country. The objectives of the meeting were, first, to know and deepen the knowledge on Salesian youth movement in order to love and to live according to the Salesian spirituality. Second, to discuss on the forum of Salesian youth movement. In the first talk, Father John Kaspar presented on Salesian Youth Ministry frame of reference. In the second talk, Sister Julia Fernandez spoke on the purpose of SYM, that they may have life abundantly. After the sessions, the participants were divided into groups for discussion and sharing, followed by questions and clarifications. The SYM concert to raise funds for World Youth Day participation is scheduled to be held in the SDB Gymnasium Dili on February 25, 2023.
Father Jolino Vieira reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. Philippines national appointments for 2 Salesian family members. Janna Katrina Famacion reports.
The Philippine South Province welcomed the election and subsequent appointments of a Salesian priest and a lay mission partner to separate national positions in curriculum studies and music. Father Rooney John Undar, STB, was elected as a board member of the Curriculum Studies Association of the Philippines, CSAP, while Mr. Nino James Banyaras was elected as representative for the Visayas within the National Committee on Music under the National Commission on Culture and the Arts. Father Rooney is the current provincial delegate for youth ministry and a doctor of education. As member of CSAP's board, he will join other curriculum experts in training, research, and certification on curriculum studies. Mr. Banyaras is the resident music director of the Salesian Music Ministry of the Subcommission on Salesian Culture of Philippines Southern Province. He will represent the Visayas, a collection of regions at the geographical center of the Philippines. He will also promote music education and preservation, tasks familiar to him through the Salesian Music Ministry.
Janna Katrina Famacion reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Papua New Guinea, 9 institutions to benefit from solar energy project. Oimorova reports from Boroko.
The PG Solar Energy Project was launched on the 1st February 2023 at Emmaus Conference Center. It was attended by a team of Salesians, teachers and manager of planning and development officer. The project is to be implemented in 3 stages, is an initiative of the Planning and Development Office and Don Bosco Missions PGS with support of Don Bosco Missions Switzerland, Jugendhilfe worldwide. The stage 1 is a 17 days hands-on practical training for 24 staff, including 4 Salesian priests and 2 brothers from different Don Bosco institutes. Training concludes on the 17th of February. Stage 2, covering 6 months, aims to design a school-based curriculum and set up a workshop on solar energy. In this course, the expert team would spend 2 weeks or 1 month each in 5 Don Bosco institutes of BGS to help staff in preparing the curriculum and the workshop. Stage 3 is envisioned to design and develop solar energy systems in all 9 Don Bosco institutions. On completion, hopefully 100% electricity requirement of Don Bosco RI Miri in PNG and Don Bosco Tetere in Solomon Island, and up to 50% of electricity in the 7 remaining institutions will be met.
Oimorova reporting. India Don Bosco drives home Autospark 2023 Overall Championship Trophy. Institute Coordinator Shailaja Mary Rao reports from Kolkata.
Don Bosco Technical Institute Park Circus bagged the first position in the 5th Automobile Tech Fest Autospark 2023 held at St. Aloysius Industrial Training Institute, Mangalore from 9th to 11th February 2023. The event was organized by Skills for Progress NGO in collaboration with Tata Motors. 76 trainees and 19 trainers from the different occasional training centers across India, covering 9 states, participated in various events such as cross pit stops, tech quiz, auto shooter, brain freezer, tech innovation project, fastener maze, skills on wheels, and com trainer for trainers. Don Bosco Technical Institute Park Circus, Kolkata bagged the overall championships.
Shailaja Mary Rao reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.